Feeling lost and alone in Vrchat? Don't worry. We'll get you connected and socializing in no time. First, bring up your main menu. Usually, a press of the menu button on your left controller will do the trick. Spot the social button in the middle and give it a click. In the social menu, you'll find several tabs. Head over to the nearby tab. This will show you everyone in your current world. Give it a moment to load if it appears empty. Still no one nearby, or are you looking for a specific friend? Use the search bar at the top of the social menu. Type in their username to find them. Once you've found your friend, click on their profile. If they're in a joinable instance, a join button will appear. Hit that, and you'll teleport to them. Still having issues seeing other users? Go back to the main menu and click on the settings button, the one that looks like a gear. In the settings, navigate to performance options and locate avatar display. Make sure avatar display is set to show. Sometimes avatars are hidden to boost performance, but setting this to show guarantees you see everyone.